Ever marveled at why bubbles are perfectly round or how they gracefully float? Delve into the realm of surface tension, where science reveals its wonders. Surface tension, an invisible force, sculpts water molecules into minimalistic spheres, ensuring bubbles captivate our gaze with their seamless form. Introducing soap to this equation diminishes water's surface tension, consequently birthing bubbles that ascend, gleaming with a spectrum of colors. This phenomenon extends beyond enhancing bubble baths. It exemplifies the elegance of scientific principles seamlessly woven into our daily lives. As we venture further, get ready to uncover more marvels crafted by science, from the alchemy in our kitchens to the adrenaline on roller coasters, each moment inviting curiosity and igniting imaginations. Have you ever observed a cake rising in the oven and pondered the marvels unraveling within? This transformation is the work of science, not magic. The alchemy of baking begins with simple ingredients like baking soda, which, when mixed with an acid, breathes life into our bakes through carbon dioxide. This isn't just spectacle, it's a window into the captivating chemical reactions that permeate our daily experiences. Understanding these reactions elevates our culinary skills and demystifies the chemistry that influences cooking, cleaning, and more. As we continue, let your curiosity lead. Science, often masquerading in the ordinary, is poised to astound with its complexities and connections. Next up, we embark on the exhilarating physics of roller coasters, where we'll uncover the forces that keep us both seated and thrilled throughout the ride. The journey of scientific discovery promises to unveil surprises at every pivot. Concluding our exploration, let's board the vibrant universe of roller coasters. On your next ride, as you crest the initial hill, reflect on the fascinating physics at play, where potential energy peaks and kinetic energy surges, propelling you with exhilarating velocity. Roller coaster designers, utilizing the innate laws of physics, engineer experiences that challenge our bravery while adhering to the dance of energy transformation. Transitioning from the simplicity of soap bubbles and the chemistry of baking, roller coasters exemplify physics in action, transformative, thrilling, and educative. This adventure serves as a reminder that science transcends conventional boundaries, permeating our everyday thrills. Stay curious, continue to explore, for the journey through science is endless, filled with continuous wonder and discovery.